Here I have the biggest master lock I have. This is number 15. And here's the smallest master lock I have. This is a number 9. Quite a bit of difference. And the other bit of difference, I can pick this one. But I haven't been able to pick this one. And I've tried shimming it, single pin picking it, raking it, zipping it, and I get nowhere. So the last thing I can try that I haven't tried is bumping it. And let's make sure it works. Yep. Nice snap. 5 pins. Put in the vise here. And here we have the bump key. And it is a master number 10 key. And here are the rings for pumping. Normally I just have to use one ring, but for this massive thing I need 2 rings to give me enough spring and enough force on the hammer. Try and get this shackle to pop open. So let's give it a try and hope that I don't smash my finger. Okay. Give it another. There we go. That was a toughie, even using the mop hammer. But one day I'll single pick this thing. But until then, it goes back in the drawer. Thanks for watching.